nature lover हूँ तो I think a lot about a lot of ways how we can protect Mother Nature, and it's really important that.
So you are the ultimate action dancing, and now the list is added to a superhero. Okay, you've done this film. You're the Indian superhero, but apart from acting, dancing, and also playing a superhero, we know that the film also has a very important message. So can you tell us a little bit about that?
Um, Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much for the warm welcome. And talking about the message of the film, I think we definitely stress on environment. I think that's our main message, and all about maintaining a clean environment. For example, I get my powers from nature and cleanliness, and he derives his power from pollution. So the more we pollute, the stronger he becomes, the weaker I become. And the more we keep the environment clean, the stronger I am. And I can help you guys take him on. But other than that, really, it's all about nature man versus pollution man. And yeah.
Okay, very interesting. Nice to have you in a college. In the film, you play a teacher. Okay, with a teacher like this, I don't know what's going to happen to the students. But okay, so you play an environmental science teacher, right? If I'm right. So tell us, do you preach what you do? You practice what you preach? So tell us a little bit about what you teach and what you believe in terms of supporting the environment. Thank you.
So, hi everyone. Thank you for having me back here. You guys always do such great things and such great social work. So it's always a pleasure to be back here and be among all of you. Yes, Aditya, I play a environmental studies teacher, and so it really is about this role. Actually, is like I think the closest to me I've ever gotten to in a role. So it really represents me in so many ways because I am very passionate about nature, and I am very passionate about the environment and protecting what we have and what Mother Nature has given us.
आई थिंक हम दोनों बहुत ही ज़्यादा है इसलिए हम यहाँ पर हैं मैं हमेशा आई ऑलवेज़ टेक केयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन माई हाउस जब भी मैं रूम में नहीं हूँ या जब भी कोई है नहीं घर में तो आई एम ऑलवेज़ द वन टू रिमाइंड पीपल टू कीप स्विचिंग ऑफ द लाइट्स क्योंकि ग्लोबल वार्मिंग को लेकर एक बहुत ही अहम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड क्रूशल फैक्टर्स दैट वी नीड टू सेव आवर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड नॉट यूज़ इट एज मच एज वी कैन so when you're having a bath, switch your geyser off, small things. और जितना हो सके मैं पानी को बचाता हूँ तो जैसे कि ये थोड़ा अजीब एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ आपको पर जैसे कि एक फ्लश हमारा जो होता है सुसु करने के बाद मैं फ्लश नहीं करता हूँ बिकॉज इट्स 1 लीटर सुसु के लिए 3 लीटर पानी जाती है टू फ्लश आउट दैट सो इट्स आई चूज़ नॉट टू सो या
एक्चुअली मूवी में मैं एक environmental studies teacher हूँ तो I understand a lot about the environment. Actually मैं एक nature lover हूँ तो I think a lot about a lot of ways how we can protect Mother Nature, and it's really important that we teach this to our children and in schools.
Tiger, you're back to college today. You're back to college on screen as well. Very soon, student of the year. Tell us how was your life being in college? If you could share some anecdotes from your college life.
मैं कभी कॉलेज नहीं गया सर मैं स्कूलिंग के बाद सीधा हीरोपंती मिली मुझे और उसके बाद दैट वाज माय कॉलेज हीरोपंती कॉलेज
Jacqueline, what about you? How many guys were thinking about you in college?
Oh gosh, I don't know actually. I was a bit of a bookworm, so I was like always in the library and reading, and that was how actually I spent my weekends. Like my Saturdays and Sundays, I was in the library, and so I never really knew actually.
What about was it working in Bollywood? Like, if you talk about Hollywood, And what is the difference between Hollywood and Bollywood?
Well, for me, it's hard to tell because there's a cultural divide, and I haven't had much of experience when it comes to watching Bollywood movies as I have Hollywood movies. But I do know that Hollywood could learn something when it comes to being more responsible to the kind of movies they make, to influencing their children, you know, taking that right path in life, that, you know, making good decisions, molding their minds, you know, for a better future. Absolutely, he's awesome. It was when I first met him, wasn't sure what it was going to be like. You know, I wasn't sure about his skills and his abilities, but after I seen him move, I thought, wow, we're going to create magic. Bollywood, Tiger. Hands down. Without a shadow of a doubt.
Did you get a cramp in your hand while dancing there?
सुनाई नहीं दिया ना.
Did you get a cramp in your hand while dancing?
हाँ, कैसे बता आपको? अब देख नोट किया ना आपने? Yeah, I did. I wasn't warmed up properly, so yeah.
Also, Tiger, Kailash Gilani has compared your movie with Santoshi Ma movie.
बहुत बड़ी बात है. अगर एक इतने बड़ा सीनियर आदमी ऐसे कह रहा है हमारी मूवी को लेकर, I think that's a huge compliment coming from him, especially because he's a filmmaker himself, so he understands. But being compared to such a big film, that's a huge honor for the three of us, and yeah.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely, it did. Remosa actually showed me the comments, and very, very pleased. Yeah. Thanks.